Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to be hooking up our code to make the currency converter appear on our phone. We added a web browser component to our form, and what we're going to do, we need one of the things for the web browser component is that it takes in a URL. You need to give it a URL to display. So this is where Google comes in. So if you type in your search engine, type in Google Finance Converter, and you should get this one. Click on the first one, and this is the Google Finance Converter. Copy this link. This link you've got here, just click copy and maybe paste it into a Word document or Notepad. All right, now that we've got that link copied from Google, let's go ahead and bring in the currency converter into our form. So double click on the button where you've got this here. Just double click on it and it should open up the skeletal code. So this is just a skeletal code. So what we're going to do, we're going to reference the web browser. Going to type in web. That's it here. The IntelliSense is giving us a guide, and it takes in a method called navigate. It takes in this method, and this method here takes in the URL as a parameter. So I copied the URL from that Google site, currency converter. So I just paste that in there. So that's the Google Finance Converter. And just end that with a semicolon and save the code. This is basically it. So now we can run the application. I'll click start. Okay, and so if I double click, I'll give it one click. Let's try one click first. Yep, one click. And this is our currency converter. So let's do a test. So I want to convert, say, 1,000 US dollars. Let's go down, look for US dollars into British pounds. So I need to scroll and look for British pound. So looking for British pound, so that's the British pound. So I want to click, then I click convert. So it's telling me that 1,000 US dollars will give me 813 GB pound, Great Britain pound. So you can try it with other currencies as well. Please know that this is referencing the Google currency converter directly. So before if you're going to use it for something, for a real life converter, please check and make sure you've got the correct value. Check with other reputable sources before you commit yourself. This is just an illustration that I'm using for the purpose of this course. So I can't guarantee that this is accurate because I'm only referencing a link from Google. So please check before you commit yourself to any conversions or before you do any transactions based on the information from this currency converter. So in a way, this is a disclaimer I'm issuing out that before you use this for real life conversion, just bear in mind that it's only a reference to a Google link. So check with other sources to make sure the rates you are getting are accurate. So you can do conversions for basically any currency. They're all listed there. So feel free to check through and play around. So basically that is it. We have now completed this project on Currency Converter. Thanks very much for watching. Take care and bye for now.